Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today, we dive into the exciting world of Top 5 Best Action Camera 2024. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie capturing extreme sports or a travel enthusiast documenting your adventures, finding the perfect action camera is crucial. In this video, we'll unveil the top contenders for 2024, from DJI's Osmo Action 4 to GoPro's Hero11 Black. Stick around to discover which one suits your needs and why these cameras are game changers. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Akaso Brave 7-lid action camera, a rugged, weatherproof beast that's ready to capture your wildest moments. Let's get started. Bodies born for adventure, weatherproof design, the Brave 7-lid is your all-weather companion. With an IPX7 water-resistant design, it laughs in the face of rain, snow, and splashes. Plus, it can dive down to 131 feet, 40 meters, underwater, perfect for those deep-sea explorations. Dual display magic, innovative dual color screens? Check. The vivid front screen satisfies your selfie cravings, while the 2-inch back touchscreen makes navigation a breeze. Hold that mode button to switch between views, framing just got cooler. 4K video, 20MP photos, capture life in hyper quality. The Brave 7-lid shoots 4K at 30 frames per second, ensuring every detail pops. And those 20MP photos? They'll make your Instagram followers jealous. Say cheese. Steady as a rock, EIS 2.0 shaky footage? Not on this camera's watch. Thanks to improved 6-axis electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0, your videos will be buttery smooth. Even if you're racing down a mountain or chasing your dog, it's gimbal like magic. Pro features bonus goodies: zoom in with digital zoom, time-lapse your epic hikes, and burst photos like a pro. But wait, there's more. 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote, waterproof housing, and versatile mounting kits, all included. Budget friendly? Absolutely. Conclusion: ready to capture your next adventure? Number 4. The GoPro Hero11 Black-Action camera. Movie camera. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a travel enthusiast, or just want to capture life's epic moments, this action camera promises to be your trusty sidekick. Let's break it down. Body, high dynamic range, HDR, magic. The Hero11 Black takes image quality to new heights with HDR. Whether you're shredding powder on the slopes or catching waves at the beach, HDR ensures that every detail pops. Shadows and highlights blend seamlessly, resulting in dynamic footage that feels true to life. Glowing star, unbeatable image quality. Say goodbye to pixelated videos. With 5.3K video resolution, that's 91% more than 4K, the Hero11 Black captures action with crisp detail. Plus, those 27MP photos? They're like mini masterpieces. And guess what? You can snag stunning stills from your videos using the GoPro Quick App camera with flash. Emmy-worthy stabilization, HyperSmooth 6.0 is the real MVP here. It's so smooth that it practically glides on butter. Snowboarder. Whether you're biking down rugged trails, skating through the city, or chasing your hyperactive pup, this camera keeps things silky. No more shaky footage ruining your epic moments. Built tough, waterproof too, Hero11 Black laughs in the face of adversity. It's rugged, durable, and waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters. So, go ahead, dive into that muddy puddle, snowball fight, or ocean swim. The water-repelling lens cover ensures your shots stay crystal clear. Water wave, what's in the box? Alongside the Hero11 Black, you get an Enduro rechargeable battery, because adventures don't wait, a curved adhesive mount, stick it anywhere, a mounting buckle thumb screw, secure that bad boy, and a trusty USB-C cable, because charging is life. Conclusion: in a nutshell, the GoPro Hero11 Black is your passport to adrenaline-fueled memories. Number 3. The GoPro Hero11 Black-Action camera. Movie camera. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a travel enthusiast, or just love capturing life's epic moments, this camera promises to be your trusty sidekick. Let's unbox and explore. Body, revolutionary new image sensor. 50 words. The Hero11 Black boasts an expansive field of view right out of the box. With its 1/1.9-inch image sensor, you'll capture more sky, more horizon, and more adventure. Zoom in, play with digital lenses, and maintain sharpness, all while unleashing your creative genius. Unbelievable image quality. 50 words. Brace yourselves for mind-blowing visuals. The Hero11 Black delivers 5.3K video, a whopping 91% more resolution than 4K. Say goodbye to lens flare. The water-repelling lens cover ensures your photos and videos are stunningly crisp and cinematic. High-res photos, videos, high frame rate. 50 words. Need versatility? This camera's got it. Capture jaw-dropping 27MP stills from your 5.3K 60 video footage. And if you're into slow-mo magic, record 2.7K 240 video, perfect for catching those blink-and-you'll-miss-it details. Emmy award-winning hypersmooth stabilization. 50 words. Remember hypersmooth? It's back and better than ever. In 2021, it snagged an Emmy for its in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Now, with Hypersmooth 5.0, your 4:3 aspect ratio shots stay rock solid, and Auto Boost minimizes cropping. Say hello to silky smooth adventures. Conclusion. So, whether you're cliff diving, mountain biking, or just vlogging your daily escapades, the GoPro Hero11 Black is your ultimate companion. Number 2. The Insta360 X3-Action camera. Whether you're a vlogger, a motorcycle enthusiast, or a winter sports junkie, this camera promises to take your content to the next level. Let's jump right in. Body, unbelievable potential, 5.7K 360. The Insta360 X3 is a game-changer. It combines the mind-blowing clarity of 5.7K 360 video with all the power of a 4K action camera. Imagine capturing your adventures in stunning detail, whether you're hitting the slopes or exploring a bustling city. 360 capture reframing. What sets the X3 apart is its ability to capture 360 active HDR video. But here's the magic: you can choose your favorite angle after the fact using the AI-powered Insta360 app. Say goodbye to missed moments, just reframe and share. 4K wide-angle shots. Need those epic wide-angle shots? The X3 delivers. Shoot in maximum 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, or go super wide with a 170 degrees field of view at 2.7K 60 FPS max view. Your landscapes and action shots will pop. Stability matters. Shaky footage? Not with the X3. Its flow state stabilization and horizon lock algorithms work together to give you buttery smooth videos. No more jitters, even when you're tearing down a mountain. Epic third-person views, and here's the cherry on top: the invisible selfie stick. It magically disappears from your shots, giving you those impossible third-person perspectives. Plus, the X3 now shoots up to 60 frames per second with Me mode, perfect for capturing fast-paced action. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the Insta360 X3. It's like having a whole film crew in your pocket. Number 1. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo. Whether you're a seasoned adrenaline junkie or a newbie looking to capture epic moments, this camera promises to be your trusty sidekick. Let's jump right in. Body, impeccable image quality, day or night. 50 words. The Osmo Action 4 boasts a large 1/1.3-inch sensor, delivering stunning image clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. From sunrise hikes to moonlit escapades, this camera captures every detail with finesse. Vivid, true-to-life colors. 50 words. Elevate your footage with 10-bit D-Log-M color performance. Golden sunrises and fiery sunsets pop like never before. Your audience will be mesmerized by the camera's vivid brilliance. It's like painting with light, long-lasting power, even in extreme cold. 50 words. Don't let frosty temperatures hold you back. The Osmo Action 4 laughs in the face of -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit weather. With up to 150 minutes of continuous recording, you won't miss a beat, whether you're chasing snowflakes or catching waves. Impressive 4K/120 FPS 155 degrees ultra-wide FOV. 50 words. Get ready for jaw-dropping visuals. Shoot in glorious 4K at 120 frames per second, and embrace the ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view. Surf, skate, or skydive, the Action 4 captures it all, even in slow-motion glory. Switch perspectives just in seconds, 20 words, no more fumbling with mounts. The magnetic quick release feature lets you seamlessly switch between horizontal and vertical shots. Unleash your creativity without missing a heartbeat. Conclusion: 20 words in the box, you'll find the DJI Osmo Action 4, a battery, and the quick release adapter mount. It's the perfect starter combo for 4K enthusiasts. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.